This is our least expensive indoor-only sanitizer stand. It ships fast and free, and it's easy to set up and use. Hi, I'm Aaron with SaniStands, and today we're going to unbox and set up the SF-11 Economy Indoor Sanitizer Stand. This is our most budget-friendly sanitizer display, and it's packaged in a really unique way, which you'll soon see. And best of all, you won't need any tools to set it up. First, we need to open the package. For demonstration purposes, this one isn't sealed. Once out of the package, you'll find this single tube. This tube will become the post of your stand, and everything else you need is inside. So let's just pop it open. Take off the top, but do not discard. You'll want to take out the packing paper, the pump, the bottle of sanitizer, and lastly, the feet. Assembly is simple. Just slot the feet together and slide on the bottom of the tube. And when ordering online at SaniStands.com, you have the choice of white feet or black. Next, we're going to grab our bottle of hand sanitizer, and yes, this 32-ounce bottle does come with liquid hand sanitizer included. Just remove the cap, screw on your pump, then insert the bottle into the tube, replace your cap, and it's that easy. Your hand sanitizer stand is now ready to use. And if you ever run out, you can replace it with your choice of liquid or gel sanitizer. At $79, this unit is great for any location where you need a lot of sanitizing stations on a limited budget. Schools, office buildings, anywhere with a lot of foot traffic. Just keep in mind, this item is lightweight and intended for indoor use only. We also offer quantity discounts, which you can see on the screen right now. To get 10% off, you only need to order 3 or more. Regardless of the quantity, you'll get free shipping, whether it's a few units sent back to you or a large order going out on a pallet. And we can even handle complex orders with split shipping to multiple locations. Just send us your distribution list and we'll take it from there.